Welcome to Pioneer Service. I'm Anisa Mathenna. It's an honor to host the SID delegates, and I want to thank PMPA for this opportunity. As you walk through the building, you'll see the words like accountability, stewardship, and respect. They're not just pretty words on the wall. They guide how we lead our teams, serve our customers, and make difficult decisions. We speak openly about manufacturing as a technical and honorable career, and we measure success not just by revenue, but in how we give back. This is the foundation that ties everything together. It's not about strategy. It's not about buzzwords. It's about how we show up every day. We're better together.